Look at that. So thick and creamy. I didn't put any yogurt in here. This is simply just from the frozen bananas and frozen mango. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Janae and this is Janai's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll be sharing one of my go-to smoothie recipes. Let's get started. This has become one of my go-to smoothies. It's so simple, but it is really, really good. So I'll be starting off with 10 ounces of almond milk. This is just unsweetened almond milk. I'm gonna be using a cup of frozen mangoes. I use this brand right here, Dole Mango Chunks. I'll be adding some bananas. They're going to be frozen, but I had these lingering around and I wanted to share a tip with you guys. You may already know. If you don't, that's okay. Don't waste your bananas. You can simply peel them and place them in a Ziploc bag and use them later for other recipes. So what I like to do is chop them up and put them in a freezer bag. And then I use them for my smoothies throughout the week. So for the bananas, I'm gonna use a cup of frozen bananas. It'll probably be a little less than a cup, but chopped bananas. For a little bit of sweetness, I'm gonna add in some agave, just a splash. And then for some fiber, I'm gonna add in about a quarter cup of oats. I'm gonna cover this part right here because this is an old blender and I lost the lid. Just a little ghetto. So thick and creamy. I didn't put any yogurt in here. This is simply just from the frozen bananas and frozen mango. So good. All right, you guys, if you're a fan of smoothies, I highly recommend giving this recipe a try. If you need step-by-step instructions, go ahead and check the description box. And I love hearing from you guys. Leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite smoothie is. And in case you didn't know, there are multiple ways that you can connect with me. You can connect with me in the comment area. You can head over to the community tab, or you can simply send me an email at janaiskitchen@gmail.com. If you're not a fan of mangoes, I also have a strawberry, banana, and peanut butter recipe on the channel as well. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.